Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are all in a good condition. Welcome back to my video. In this video, we are going to learn about describing animals atau mendeskripsikan binatang. Happy watching everybody! Pernah gak sih kamu mendapatkan pertanyaan seperti ini? Do you have a pet? Apakah kamu mempunyai binatang peliharaan? What is your favorite animal? Apa sih binatang favoritmu? What does it look like? Seperti apa sih binatang itu? Nah, gimana ya cara menjelaskannya? Well, sometimes you might want to tell someone about your pet or about your favorite animal. Nah, untuk mendeskripsikan binatang atau peliharaan kita, we can tell the detail of the animals. It can be from the physical appearance atau penampilan fisik dari binatang itu, dan the characteristics of the animals atau ciri khas dari binatang tersebut. Let's start from the physical appearance or penampilan fisik dari binatang tersebut. In here we have some examples of the animals. The first, we have cat. A cat has long tail, ekor panjang, whiskers atau kumis kucing, white fur, bulu putih, 4 legs, 4 kaki, and teeth or gigi. The second one, we have bird. A bird has beak, paruh, feather, bulu, a pair of wings, sepasang sayap, tail, ekor, and 2 legs. Nah, yang harus kalian perhatikan adalah bahwa bulu dari binatang mamalia dan bulu dari unggas itu berbeda ya istilahnya dalam bahasa Inggris. Jadi kalau bulu untuk binatang mamalia itu fur, kalau bulu dari binatang unggas itu kita sebut dengan feather. The third one, we have turtle. A turtle has shell atau cangkang atau rumah dari kura-kura. And then 4 legs, 4 kaki. The fourth, we have lion. A lion has sharp teeth atau gigi yang tajam, mane or surai, 4 legs, 4 kaki, and long tail. Next, we have fish. A fish has scales atau sisik, fin, sirip, and tail atau ekor. And then the last one, we have elephant. An elephant has trunk atau belalai gajah, big ears, telinga besar, ivory, gading gajah, 4 legs, 4 kaki, and also a tail, ekor. Next, we have animals characters atau ciri khas dari binatang tersebut. Nah, the first one we have adorable, cute, lucu atau menggemaskan. And then we have tame, jinak, wild, buas atau liar, poisonous, beracun, carnivorous or meat eaters, pemakan daging. And then nocturnal atau binatang yang aktif di malam hari. Nah, kalau kalian sudah tahu about the physical appearance and also the animal's characteristics, next we are going to learn how to describe the animals. Bagaimana cara mendeskripsikan binatang-binatang tersebut. Di sini, at least there are 6 information that you can tell to describe the animals. The first one is to introduce the animal, you can mention the name or nama binatang tersebut. For example, it is my cat. It is an elephant. The second one is the size or ukuran dari binatang tersebut. For example, my cat is small. The elephant is big. The third one is the characteristics atau ciri khas dari binatang tersebut. For example, it has black and white fur. It has long neck. It is a wild animal. The fourth is the food atau makanannya. For example, it eats meat. It eats grass. The fifth is the movement atau bagaimana cara binatang tersebut bergerak. For example, it runs fast. It flies. It climbs trees. The sixth is the habitat atau tempat tinggal dari binatang tersebut. For example, a lion lives in the jungle and shark lives in the sea. Sekarang kita lanjut ke contoh dari deskripsi seekor hewan ya. Now, I would like you to pay attention to the picture. What animal is it? Yes, it is a giraffe. Ini adalah seekor jerapah. Let's try to describe about this giraffe. The first, we can describe it from the name. It is a giraffe. Ini adalah seekor jerapah. Next, a giraffe is a tall animal. Seekor jerapah adalah binatang yang tinggi. It has long neck with brown unique pattern on its body. Dia mempunyai leher yang panjang dengan pola coklat yang unik di badannya. It eats leaves and grass. Binatang ini makan daun dan rumput. It walks slowly, but it runs really fast to escape from its predators. Dia berjalan dengan lambat, tapi bisa berlari dengan sangat cepat untuk melarikan diri dari pemangsanya. It lives in savanna. Binatang ini tinggal di padang rumput. Supaya lebih jelas lagi, let's pay attention to the second example of the descriptive text of the animal. Kita baca sama-sama ya. This is an eagle. Eagle is a big bird. It has white and black feathers and a pair of big wings. It also has sharp claws and beak. It has sharp sight, so it can see its prey from far distance. An eagle eats meat. It usually hunts fish or small animals such as mouse or snake. It flies high in the sky. It lives near water, coast, or lakes. Well, it's very simple, right? The way to describe the animals atau cara untuk mendeskripsikan binatang. Nah, kita bisa menggunakan 6 informasi yang sudah dijelaskan sebelumnya. Sekarang, giliran kalian ya latihan di rumah. Okay everyone, that's all the video from me about describing animals. Mudah-mudahan bisa membantu kalian belajar di rumah ya. Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.